on this episode of the Wickershire Project, turning your muddy, dirty, bare chicken run into something you can be proud of. Or at least it looks better. It's just going to be a short video. Mostly of me eating this mandarin. It's yellow out. It is an amazing color. It's pretty out. The kids even said it. They said, "Dad, go look outside. It's gorgeous out there." So today we're going to be adding a bale of straw to said chicken run. And I think it's going to be a greater improvement than that bare, hot, dry, dusty soil. It gives them something to play in. It's very absorbent. And as it breaks down and blends in with their manure... Hello, chicken. Just come to investigate my orange, which is breakfast here. But as it breaks down, it improves the soil. So we're going to bring you over to our chicken run and show you what we did. For $5 for a bale of straw, I think that's nice for the chicken run. They got a place for their scratch. The hay keeps the water 10 times cleaner. There's not so much mud in there. Straw is not going to hurt them. He's eating bark. He's got a whole tray of food up there, but he's choosing to eat bark. Bale of straw, look at that. That square foot coverage. It just goes and goes and goes. This is probably the best $5 I've ever spent. So whatever this plant is here, see the spikes and thorns on that? These are what rip my legs up. Completely tear my legs up. Again, I don't know what this is. If anybody recognizes this plant, let me know what it is. It is definitely 100% not a blackberry or a berry style bush. It is a type of vine, and it's not poison ivy because there's no 3 leaves. Now if you want to see how effective chickens are, this is all scratched out. They spend their day on the southern side of the property just scratching all this out. That electric fence video is going to be coming up on the next episode, so stay tuned for that one. If you like these videos, you can smash that like button, subscribe, always leave us a comment. We'll respond back to you within the first 12 to 24 hours. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.